We're making tomato soup for supper tonight. It's the same one we made a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago I think. I just used the immersion blender to chop up those tomatoes really good. Now I'm putting 2 cans of tomato sauce. I might be doing this a little bit different than we did last time, but it's just about the same. I'm gonna do 1 can of water in there. I'm gonna put this tomato puree in there too. We're putting salt and pepper and garlic powder. And I'm going to chop up some basil to put in here. Basil goes really good with tomatoes, tomato anything. I'll just drop it right over in the soup. That's it. I'll do a little taste real quick and see if we need any more salt, pepper, or anything like that. Yeah, we need some more salt and pepper. Good morning. We're making some Dutch baby pancakes this morning and some bacon. I've already got the bacon started. I put some butter in the iron skillets and just put them in the oven while it's preheating to melt that butter. We're gonna make 2 different ones. We're gonna do just a regular plain Dutch baby and we're gonna do a blueberry one. We're putting 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to make the blueberry one first, then we'll do the regular one. We need 1/2 cup of milk. Three eggs. We're putting 2 tablespoons coconut sugar. And we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Eggs. The last thing we need in here besides the blueberries is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We'll just leave all that out because this is the base recipe. we're just going to do this same thing again. For the next one, we're just not going to add the blueberries. Okay, let me grab one of the skillets. We'll just let the butter run all around. And we're going to pour this in. Now I'm just going to put the blueberries on top. I've got the oven preheated to 375. Okay, same stuff in this one. right, y'all, we're gonna finish cleaning up the kitchen. The kids have started with their schoolwork. The Dutch baby pancakes, great. If you've never had them before, they're like a crepe. If you've never had a crepe before, it's like an eggy pancake. Crepes, you know, are super, super thin, but the Dutch baby ones are thicker. So it's like a pancake, but with more eggs. They're really good. The texture it has a little bit of a chew. It's great. I love it. Like, I would rather have a crepe or a Dutch baby than a regular pancake. You want one of those? Okay. All right, we're gonna get this stuff done today. We're gonna have another day of cleanup outside. Titus and the boys started yesterday moving some of the trees. Hopefully this afternoon it'll get above freezing and all the ice will melt off the trees. That'll make it a little easier, a little bit better anyway.